Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade kimchi. First, choose a fresh Napa cabbage, ideally weighing 2 to 3 pounds. Cut the cabbage into 2-inch pieces, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Next, you'll brine the cabbage using 1/4 cup of salt. Let it sit for about 2 hours, then rinse the cabbage very well to remove excess salt. This step is crucial for texture and flavor. Now, let's create the heart of your kimchi, the paste. Combine fresh garlic, ginger, and a generous amount of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, for that signature spice. Add a splash of fish sauce for umami depth, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Blend these ingredients until you achieve a smooth, bright red paste. This mixture will infuse your cabbage with incredible flavor. With your cabbage brined and your paste ready, it's time to combine them. Wear gloves to protect your hands and thoroughly mix the vibrant red paste with the cabbage. Make sure every single piece is evenly coated for consistent flavor. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This allows for the fermentation process to begin properly. After packing, let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You'll notice small bubbles, indicating active fermentation. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer it to the refrigerator. Kimchi can be stored for several weeks or even months, continuing to develop deeper flavors. Enjoy your delicious homemade kimchi as a side dish or in various recipes. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.